Day of testimony in Hunter Biden's federal gun trial saw a continued focus on Hunter's drug use.
Rebekah Castor has the latest from Washington.
Hunter Biden arriving at the federal courthouse in Wilmington, Delaware, hand in hand with his wife, Melissa. But it was his ex-wife and former girlfriend who were the focus of today's testimony.
Well, I think what we're seeing now, Martha, is a myriad of circumstantial evidence, in addition to virtually direct evidence from the defendant's own mouth in terms of what the jury is hearing from the audio version of his book.
During her surprisingly short time on the stand, Hunter's ex-wife, Kathleen Buell, said she learned he was using drugs in 2015 after finding a crack pipe in their D.C. home. After confronting Hunter, Buell said he admitted to smoking crack.
She, along with her kids, from time to time would find actual crack pipes and other drug paraphernalia in the bags of Hunter Biden and other of his accessories.
The prosecution's next witness, Hunter's ex-girlfriend Zoe Keaston, discussed Hunter's wild behavior during drug binges, recalling on one occasion when he was smoking crack every 20 minutes. However, Hunter's defense maintains that he was not using drugs at the time when he bought the gun.
This was an addict who, he lied. He possessed a gun. He's guilty. But why not put him in drug court? If his name was not Hunter Biden Lawrence, I don't think you and I would be talking about this case.
First Lady Jill Biden also in court again today, supporting her stepson before she travels to France to join the president. In Washington, Rebekah Castor, Fox 32 Chicago.